Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are doing well. I want to share my Moringa hair oil recipe with you today. If you are interested in learning how to make this, then please keep on watching. Moringa is considered a superfood and it has great beauty benefits for your hair. It helps with preventing dandruff and flaky scalp. I will be using extra virgin olive oil. I used 1 cup. Moringa is filled with a lot of vitamin A and also vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant which helps with dry, flaky skin. Next, I added grapeseed oil. I used half a cup. You can use whatever blend of oils, but these oils are very lightweight and very good for your skin as well as your hair. I also added 1 tablespoon of castor oil, as well as 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. So this blend of oils I'm going to put in a bowl of hot water just to warm it up a little bit before I add my powder. If this is your first time on my channel, you are welcome. My name is Esther and my focus is on DIY hair and skincare recipes. So if this is something you would enjoy, then please consider subscribing. Thank you. I added 2 tablespoons of the Moringa powder. I got this from Amazon and I will have everything I used in the description box. So just pour your blend of oils with the powder, mix thoroughly, and you're going to leave this overnight so it can infuse. The next day it's ready to be strained. If you look, you can see the separation. You can see the oil on top and the Moringa powder has settled to the bottom. So just strain and this oil is pretty much ready for use at this time. I enjoy making my oils now because I used to be a product junkie. I was buying every single thing I saw in the store and not really paying attention to the ingredients. So this is a great way to make your own products and you know what you're putting in them. So this is just the leftover Moringa powder. You can use this for a face mask if you want to. This is what the oil looks like. I'm just going to add some vitamin E oil, mix, and then I will transfer to my container. I tried using the Moringa powder in my tea a few times and I did not like the taste. So using it this way, at least I get the benefits of the powder in my hair and skin. So I hope you try this out. If you check the benefits of Moringa, you will be blown away. It is amazing. So I hope you try this out. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Comment, like, and share this video. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, be well and take care. Bye bye.